We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 203. Let's go on in. Our kitchen is on the right as we enter, and you can see the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink, the microwave, the stove and oven, and we have cabinets, counters, and drawer space here in the kitchen. As we enter, you can see over on the left, there's a good little space to have a narrow table or a shoe rack or some other storage items if you would like to bring those in. As we enter the apartment, our closet is on the right. Let's take a look in the closet. So the closet will have some good hanging space and floor space for you in here. And as we go on into the apartment, we'll see the bathroom, which is over here on our left side. Let's take a look in there. The bathroom has that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity that opens underneath for more storage under the sink, the toilet, and there is a small cabinet on the wall for some additional storage items. There are also the towel bars. Let's take a look at the rest of the unit. The furnishings that are provided are the dresser, the dining table and chair, the bookshelf, the full-size bed, and the desk and chair. You can move the furniture around wherever you like within the apartment. Let's go take a look out the window. You can see we have the air conditioner under the window. This is an angle style apartment. That means the windows form an angle shape. We are on the south side of the building, which is the brighter side of the building. So you can see it is nice and sunny here. It's in the afternoon. Let's take a look out the windows to see the view. Over to our right, that is southwest. So we have a nice valley view. Then directly out the window over to our left, that is southeast, and that is College Avenue over there. The building is located at 151 Dryden Road. We're just one block from campus. Or you can see the heater over here on our right. Additionally, over out the back, you can see some of the parking spaces. Those are available as a separate lease. So that's a look at studio apartment 203. We're in a south angle style apartment on the second floor here in this building, located at 151 Dryden Road, and we're just one block from campus.